Hello mga kabayan, ito si Kaking Koy Vlog na nagsasabing keep smiling because life is beautiful thing and much to smile about. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Royal Kusina, muling magbukas ang Ginoong OFW KSA 2025. Tara, tunghayan natin! Nakita natin ang mga kalahok na handang ipakita ang kanilang talento, talino at pagiging tunay na Ginoo ng mga OFW. Ito ang first batch ng screening ng mga kalahok.
Mabuhay, this is Christian Emmanuel Flores, your Ginoong KSA 2025 representing Pampanga.
We're 31 years old, pag-study ng mga kape. Bali, gusto kong sumali dito para masubukan na may experience.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Vergara, your Ginoong OFW KSA 2025 from Quezon City.
I'm Glenn Alvaro, 37, and I am proud barista here in Taran, and I'm 37 years of age, and I'm from Osama City.
I'm Glenn A. Alvaroto, your Ginoong OFW KSA 2025 from
I've been here since 2022. I'm a cost engineer in which I do planning and budgeting for our company. So favorites, siguro, I just play basketball almost 4 times a week. Basketball. I am Leo Sabet, your Ginoong OFW KSA 2025 from Lipa City.
Ito ang first batch ng ating Ginoong OFW KSA 2025. Talagang proud moment ito para sa lahat ng Pinoy dito sa Eastern Province ng South OFW KSA 2025. Ito po si Kaking Koy na nagsasabing goodbyes are not forever, goodbyes are not the end. This simply means I miss you till we meet again. Bye!